For next question, okay. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. Okay, read the question first. Okay, 1 minute, 05 seconds. So one objective question, so done. Okay, we go for last question. This one, tak payah lah. Okay. Okay, last question. Okay, time's up. Okay, we check the answer together. Okay, so we go for alloy. Once you see this alloy, okay, this kitchen utensil atau fork and spoon. Okay, please remember this is called what? Stainless steel. Stainless steel contain iron plus carbon plus chromium plus nickel. So these are the things you must remember. Siapa betul jawapan dia? Iron, okay, chromium, okay, carbon, nickel tak ada, so jawapan dia D. Siapa betul? Tanya. Alright, any question? No question. Okay, this is cupro-nickel, this is brass, not brass, okay, bronze, sorry. Okay, this is steel. Alright, now we go for this one. Okay, the foreign particles that present in the atom alloy. Okay, this will do what? Okay, disrupt the orderly arrangement of the layer of atom. Dia mengganggu susunan teratur. And this prevent the atoms from what? Sliding over each other easily. So the answer D. Siapa betul? Tanya. Okay, now we go for this one. Okay, alloy of copper is other. You must use other. Cannot use stronger. Okay, please use other. Jangan guna stronger. Okay, so correct. Which statement is correct about the alloy? So kamu tengok yang number one. Okay, the atom are orderly arranged. No, the atom are not orderly arranged. The space between atom decreases because we already add foreign particles, right? Attraction force between the copper atoms decreases. No, it's not about me. The layer of atoms more difficult to slide. This is the best answer. So answer D. All right. Okay, now we go for this question. Okay, can I? Easy. Okay, so please check here. Okay, when they add sodium hydroxide until excess, when you nampak white precipitate, y'all put what? CAMPZ. Okay, the cations that present is okay CAMP So calcium ion, aluminium ion, magnesium ion, lead 2 ion, zinc ion. Very easy. Okay, white precipitate CAMPZ. So the file. Okay, next one. Among the 5 ion, the only one ion will dissolve in excess of, mesti ada excess, excess of ammonia solution. Among these 5, only one, which is zinc ion. That means here you already know zinc ion. So ini semua padam. Okay, ini semua padam. Any question? No question. Okay, now we go for next one. They add barium nitrate solution. Please remember barium nitrate, the nitrate ion soluble salt. Ini soluble salt. Okay, that means here you see nitrogen sulfate and chloride. Kamu tengok N ion. This is the test to show the presence of N ion. Yang mana akan join dengan barium ion and form white color precipitate which is insoluble. So kalau kamu ambil chloride ion, all soluble except pelajar, harapan, A plus. Okay, A plus. So that means lead 2 chloride, mercury chloride, and silver chloride are insoluble. Okay, insoluble. So ini white precipitate, right? Now we go for barium ion joined with one more ion, sulfate ion. Yang mana insoluble and will form the white color precipitate. Pelajar, baik, cantik. So we put here lead 2 ion. Okay, barium ion, calcium ion. Okay, so you see here barium. So barium sulfate are white color precipitate. So this one confirm the presence of sulfate ion. So the answer, okay, is made up of the cation is zinc ion and ion is sulfate ion. Siapa jawapan ni betul? Angkat tangan. Ada tak yang betul? Tadi yang betul. Okay, ada. Khairul Abidin. Okay, very good. Okay, Tianmen betul. Okay, now we go for last question. Okay, last question. When you see this question, very good, Aisha. Ni, Ashmi. Okay, when you see this question, this is long chain. Long chain, then they put up ni, ethane. Long chain alkane. Long chain alkane, when they do the process, you got ni alkene. Alkene plus one more is called alkane. So what is the name of this process? This process is called cracking process. Cracking. Okay, we have what distillation, fractional distillation method, and one more cracking process. So the answer is cracking. Any question? Okay, tak ada eh? Okay, so these are the objective question we already go through. Okay, now we go for today's session. Okay, kita pergi, ni semua kita dah belajar kan? Okay, ni semua kita dah belajar. So we go for okay, I tried to finish until alkene today. Okay, if alkene we already finished, then Friday alcohol, carboxylic acid, ester we can finish up. Okay, we already learned this, Page 11 at school we already learned. Okay, see how many of you can memorize all the one things that we learn at school. Okay, can remember the things that we learn at school. Okay, the physical properties of alkane. 1 minute from now. Write down. Please remember alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon. This is page number 11. Okay, now check your answer. Alkane is made up of carbon and hydrogen, non-metal, non-metal. Okay, and this is known as hydrocarbon compound. Must memorize, Okay, so hydrocarbon compound, they are made up of what compound? Covalent bonding or covalent compound. Okay, so that again, covalent compound insoluble in water, but soluble in organic solvent. Ingat one organic solvent, CCl4, tetrachloromethane, or you guys can remember benzene or acetone solution. Okay, all alkane compound has low melting point and boiling point. If they ask why low melting point and boiling point, because mereka ada weak van der Waals force that exists between the molecules. Mesti ada perkataan ni, between the molecules. Okay, thus less heat. Okay, heat energy is required to overcome the forces of attraction. You already scored 2 marks. Okay, please memorize this. Can I? Electrical conductivity. Alkane, please remember alkene all exist as neutral molecules. They do not contain freely moving ion. Therefore, they do not conduct electricity because they exist as neutral molecule, right? So, mesti tulis perkataan ini. No what? No freely moving ions. Okay, freely moving ions. Okay, to conduct electricity. Jangan tulis to carry electricity. Okay, wrong. Okay, alkane N1 until N4, colorless gas, N5, 18, colorless liquid, and 19, waxy solid. Okay, kita dah buat benda ni. Okay, now we go for alkene. Alkene, I already do. You just study only. Same only. Alkene contains C double bond. The general formula already given, CnH2n contains double bond, at least one double bond between carbon atom. Insoluble in water, soluble, low melting, almost same, Same, sini again, okay, because alkane need N2 onward, right? That's why 2 until 4, colorless gas, 5 until 14, colorless liquid. So just remember only. If they ask what is the color of butene, butene exists as what? First gas, butene gas. Then dia punya warna apa? Colorless gas. Any question? Sudah hafal Okay. So alkene finish. Okay, now alkyne. Okay, alkyne general formula CnH2n, you minus 2. It must have one triple covalent bond between the carbon atom. Mesti ada triple covalent bond. Okay, sama saja, almost same because they are made up of covalent compound. Insoluble in water, low melting point, do not conduct electricity. They have lower what? Only alkane. This one no need to remember lah. Can N2 and till N4, they exist as colorless gas. Okay, nah? Okay, they are one liquid and solid. Okay, alcohol, very important. Okay, alcohol, very important. Okay, so this alcohol contains hydroxyl group. Dia ada functional group COH. Dapat? Dia dipanggil sebagai miscible in water. Okay, miscible in water means alcohol with lower lower size or low size or smaller size dissolve in water. Okay, which one very dissolve in water? Methanol. Methanol and ethanol sangat larut dalam air. Kenapa dia larut? Okay, nanti kita buat soalan dia. Kenapa dia larut? We already learned because of what? Hydrogen bonding. Okay, solubility decreases as the size of molecule increases. Higher melting and boiling point compared to alkane. Why? Because they have what? Dia ada dua jenis bonding, no. So between these, here di sini ada satu kan. Okay, so here they have covalent bond. Okay, van der Waals force. Then between this one and here the water molecule, right? This is water molecule, sorry. Okay, here water molecule, they have one more type of bonding, hydrogen bond. So dia kena overcome van der Waals force and also hydrogen bonding force. Okay, so that's why dia punya melting point and boiling point higher compared to alkane and alkene. Can you understand? Okay, most of them colorless liquid. Okay, colorless liquid wajib hafal point ni. They are known as used as biofuel, biofuel. Okay, they can flammable, burn with clean and blue color flame. Okay, pernah keluar dalam trial paper. Later I show the question. Okay, must remember this. Okay, this is the one came out in your trial paper. Sorry, midterm paper. Okay, midterm paper. Okay, ethanol dissolve in water, even though ethanol is made up of covalent compound. Explain why. Because you must remember ethanol as oxygen gas. This oxygen gas or FON atom, FON atom is known as what atom? Highly electronegative, negative atom. Therefore, they will pull the electron pair. Ni kan dia ada electron kan. So dia orang sharing electron, right? The electron will go closer to the what oxide atom. So dia punya hydrogen tak ada electron, because oxygen sudah tarik, dia sudah ambil. So this one become partial positive, this one become partial negative. Therefore, ethanol molecule become dipole molecule. Dipole means ada positive dan negative charges. Can I? How to explain this? Very simple. Ethanol molecule as first you put this hydrogen as hydrogen atom that form covalent bonding or covalent bond with highly electronegative, you all bagi tahu ni, highly electronegative oxide atom or oxygen atom. You already score 0.1. Okay, next one. Okay, understand? All of you understand? Okay, copy down. Ethanol molecule as hydrogen atom that form covalent compound with highly electronegative oxide atom. Okay, can I? Okay, this oxide atom from ethanol molecule forms what bonding? Forms hydrogen bonding with the hydrogen of water molecule. Ini maksud dia apa? Kita buat sini. So H3C, ni OH, right? So this is methanol. I take methanol. So here we have water molecule. I put like this. This oxygen atom will form what bonding? Hydrogen. Hydrogen bonding with hydrogen atom of water molecule. Itu yang saya cuba bagi tahu di sini. Oxide atom from ethanol molecule form hydrogen bonding, okay, with hydrogen atom of the water molecule. You guys already score 0.1, 0.2. Okay, if let's say in the exam they ask you to write one more point, 0.3, you bagi tahu di sini. Okay, bagi tahu di sini. Okay, I put one more water molecule like this. This is one more water molecule, right? Okay, so now here you tengok betul-betul sini kita ambil oxygen dulu. Okay, hydrogen. Now kita ambil ni hydrogen also will join with one more water molecule. They form what? They form hydrogen bonding. Faham tak? All of you understand? Understand, eh? Okay, hydrogen atom from ethanol molecule also form hydrogen bonding with what atom? With oxide. So you guys put here oxide atom. Oxide atom of the water molecule. That's all. Any question? Any question? Sir, I don't understand this one. So y'all do what? Y'all put like this. CH2, C2H5OH. Okay, can I? Y'all write, eh? Okay, atas satu water molecule, bawah satu water molecule. Y'all put, eh? Your point one, you describe this one. Okay. Ethanol molecule contain hydrogen atom that bonded with highly electronegative oxide atom. You already score point one. Understand? Okay, point number two, ethanol molecule will form hydrogen bonding. Okay, hydrogen bonding, right? Ataupun you bagi tahu the oxide atom of ethanol molecule will form hydrogen bonding with the hydrogen atom of the water molecule. One mark. Okay, ikut suka hati kamu. Okay, one more point, number three, I put here. The hydrogen atom from the ethanol molecule will form, okay, hydrogen bonding with the oxide atom of the water molecule. So you guys put here, hydrogen bonding. Any question? Adi Enman, understand? Christina, understand?
Yes, sir. Faham, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hi Christina, how are you? I hope you good, eh? Okay, done. So please memorize this. Jangan salah untuk exam. Tetapi last year dah keluar dah. Okay. This year I'm targeting metallic bonding. Okay. Okay, if done, 1% angkat tangan. Okay, done. Okay, Arwin. Okay. Oh, Arwin tak boleh panggil Arwin ya. Arwin Zachary Steven. Okay, baru cantik. Okay, now we go for carboxylic acid. Arwin, okay? All good, eh?
All good, sir.
Okay, now you answer this. All good means you answer this. Everything.
Okay, sir.
Wrong, never mind. Just try.
Soluble in water.
Very good. Okay, soluble in water. Why soluble? Because this is called weak acid. Okay, it can
Sir,
ionize. Yeah.
do I want to put soluble or partially soluble?
No, partially ionize. Ionize,
Oh,
you
okay.
put partially. Soluble means
Partially,
it will
okay.
soluble. Okay,
Okay, yes,
it
sir.
is known as weak acid, and please remember this hydrogen atom akan pecah, right? Only one hydrogen atom, right? All carboxylic acid, please put here monoprotic acid. Monoprotic acid, they are known as weak acid, partially ionized in the water, but they are soluble in water. Okay, can I? Okay, next one.
The smell, I'm not sure, but taste is sour and the pH value is 5 like that.
Okay, pH value 5, 6. Taste, y'all put vinegar. Vinegar smell. Most of them, they have vinegar smell. Okay, and please remember this one, eh? Okay, I forgot, eh? Okay, alcohol, you kena ingat, mana dia? Alcohol, you must remember this. Sharp smell, this one. Miscible, alcohol. Vinegar, carboxylic acid, vinegar smell. Okay, can I? Okay, and one more, what is the test to show the presence of acid? Okay, Arvin?
Using the moist blue litmus paper.
Okay, you must use moist blue litmus paper. It will turn to red. Okay, next one, I pilih orang lain. Arvin, bicara ni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I use ni. Okay, Sam, answer.
Yes, sir.
Answer E, this one. Ethanoic acid conduct electricity or not? Conduct, right? Because they
Yeah,
ionize Yeah, they ionize in the water, they produce hydrogen ion, right? So you answer E. Okay, it's okay. I understand. Okay. Conduct electricity when dissolved in water. Acid shows its acidic properties in the presence of water. Methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. Please remember their state is what? Colorless. They are known as colorless liquid. Alright, can I? So sudah hafal? Okay, sudah hafal So carboxylic acid finish, all finish no. Physical properties every year one objective question. Okay, jangan salah. Okay, can I? Okay, this is your last one. Okay, ester, very special compound. Yang paling penting, you must remember this. Okay, it has what smell? Fruity smell. Ester has a fruity smell. Okay, apple flavor, okay, grapes flavor, all that orange flavor, they use as food additive. Can I? Ester, always remember all this is covalent compound, very special. They are insoluble in water, tak larut dalam air. Ester insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvent. If you put in the water or if you pour in the water, they will form two layer solution. Ini kena hafal Okay, ini kena hafal. Bawah water, okay, at the bottom water, here they put solution. Okay, solution X. Solution X, then dia letak hidung. They put hidung, they smell, the boy smell. Okay, they identify fruity smell. Insoluble solution X belongs to what homologous series? Your answer should be ester. All of you understand? It has low melting and boiling point. Do not conduct electricity. Okay, kan Yang benda ni kena hafal tau. Saya tulis balik Ini kalau boleh tuliskan dalam you punya modul sana. Okay, you all put measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder. Okay, this one water. They pour in water. Here got one more solution X. They put solution X. Then they put nose. They smell. This is nose. Smell and fruity smell is detected or identified. Okay, and what is solution X belongs to what homologous series? So if they ask what homologous series, your answer should be ester. Any question? No question. Okay, all physical properties done. Okay, so physical properties done, naming method done, except ester. Okay, dia punya general formula semua done. Okay, today I'm going to go for chemical equation. Okay, try to answer this question. Should I answer, Shoda? Madhuri, answer.
C.
C, very good, ma. Okay, Ani, C. Once you see your blue litmus paper turns to red, so this is okay, carboxylic acid. Okay, they already put carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Okay, so mesti ada COOH. So ini tak boleh alcohol, ini ester, sorry, this one ester. Okay, this is carboxylic acid. If you all correct, well done. Okay, now number 3. Sorry, number 2. Abidin jawapan?
A concern.
A. Okay, we check A correct or not. Okay, as sweet smell cannot because this is belongs to what homologous series alcohol and bonded with what? Please remember highly electric. electronegative atom. Highly electronegative atom, FON. Please remember, can I? Okay. That means alcohol exists as gas, also cannot. So soluble in water. So they are known as miscible in water, soluble in water. They are known as biofuel. Okay, blue flame. Okay, so answer very good, Abidin. Okay, now we go for next part, chemical properties. Di sinilah akan mula. Okay, we have total how many equation? Okay, 17 chemical reaction. Out of 17 chemical reaction, you must remember at least 8. Okay, can I? We will start with number 1, alkane. Alkane is known as what we call saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon, right? So saturated hydrocarbon means they are tepu, and they are chemically stable. Therefore, mereka ada dua reaction sahaja. Number 1, we call combustion. Number 2 is called substitution. Nama kena hafal, equation kena hafal. If condition means they want catalyst and temperature or pressure, kena hafal. Okay, alkane dua reaction sahaja. Okay, number 1, we do number 1. Alkane number 1, alkane combustion reaction. Ini kena hafal, kena. Okay, alkane burn with the presence of excess of oxygen. Excess of oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, kena ingat, Okay, we have combustion, we have two, One is complete combustion, pembakaran lengkap. Pembakaran lengkap berlaku when oxygen adalah excess. Okay, if lack of oxygen, it will be incomplete. Incomplete combustion. What is the product of incomplete combustion? Complete carbon dioxide, water. Incomplete combustion. Yasmin, what is the product for the limited oxygen supply?
Um, is it carbon or carbon monoxide?
Very good, girl. Carbon and carbon monoxide. Please remember this, incomplete combustion, carbon and carbon monoxide. Okay, complete combustion, carbon dioxide and water. Wajib hafal untuk objective question. Can I? So please write down. Very good. Okay, done, Okay. Now we do number 1. Number 1, I'll do. Number 2, you guys do, Can I? Okay, number 1, C2H4. How you know ethane, lah, alkane. So this one all you all know already. Okay, CnH2n plus 2. Apply N2. C2H will be 6. Sorry, 6. Ethane, right? Plus oxygen. Okay, what product you guys will get? Carbon dioxide and water. Okay, how to balance the equation? Macam mana nak balancekan equation? Always balance carbon first. Carbon 2, I put carbon 2. Okay, then I balance hydrogen. Always balance hydrogen. Hydrogen 6, hydrogen 3 darab 2, 6. Okay, can Okay, now y'all do garis macam ni. Can Okay, so what y'all do? Calculate oxygen. Oxygen on your right hand side 4 tambah 3. Total 7. If you get 7 number ganjil, just take 7 over 2. That's all. When you put 7 over 2 or 2 cancel, you guys will get 7O. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, ini padam, and please remember in the exam, you guys must remember what? You guys must remember the remove the fraction. How to remove the fraction? Oh, Cairo Abdin dah hantar jawapan dah. Okay, ini darab 2. Okay, everything darab 2. Your answer should be 2C2H6 plus 7O2 arrow 4CO2 plus 6H2O. Ini jawapan dia. Any question? If got fraction. Okay, can I? Okay, y'all is in line dekat kampung agak rumah. So okay, so faham. Okay. Okay, now y'all do number 2. Number 2 y'all do, Number 3 do as homework. Propane. In the exam, please remember you all should remove the fraction. Saya tak nak jawapan ini. Nikhil, you will answer this.
Which one, sir?
Number 2.
Done, sir.
Okay, give me the answer.
Uh,
Just read the
C3H8 plus 5 oxygen. You get 3 carbon dioxide, 4 water.
4H2O. We check the
Yes.
answer. Carbon 3, carbon 3. Hydrogen 8, hydrogen 8. Oxygen 10, 6 plus 4, 10. Well done, Arvani, Nikhil. Okay, very good. Okay, so this one, homework, y'all do lah. Can I? Can I? Okay, now we go for question. This question, 1 minute from now. Number 1, I'll do. Number 2, you guys do. Can I? Okay, this calculation is called stoichiometric calculation. So, it's related to the chapter 3. So, diorang akan bawa di sini. Okay, can I? So, number 1, we do together. Okay, can I? Okay, read the question. Calculate the volume of carbon dioxide produced at room temperature. They give you circle this methane. 1.6 gram is mass. Okay, mass of what? Methane. So you are given this. First step, always find the number of mole. Mass over molar mass. Okay, this is the formula. So why you use this formula? Because given mass, how to convert into number of mole if mass is given? Mass over molar mass. 1.6. What is the molar mass of CH4? Methane, right? Macam mana nak cari? So here carbon 12, we have 4, okay, times 1. Hydrogen 1. So you will get what answer? Calculator. Anyone? 0.1.
Sir, 0.1. Sir.
Okay, you guys already score 1 mark. Okay, tak perlu letak unit. This is the basic step you must remember, Okay, can I? Okay, then only you guys read the second question. What is the question? Okay, calculate the volume of carbon dioxide. Ambil equation, I got information about this. And they ask about carbon dioxide. And the equation already balanced. Here 1 mole, 1 mole. You rasa malas nak tulis, tulis macam ni je. Kalau you rasa malas nak tulis, tulis macam ni je. As long as you all compare, saya bagi markah. 1 mole, ini pun mole semua tak payah. You orang want to make simple, right? Like this, I want. Okay, so 1, 1, then you take the 0.1. This one is CH4, right? 0.1, okay, CH4 will give you same lah, 0.1 CO2. Any question? You just do like this. Siapa nak buat betul-betul, buat betul-betul. Siapa nak buat simple like this, you all do simple like this. Any question? Okay, 1 mark, when you do stoichiometric comparison or ratio, you get 1 mark. Okay, and the last step, you guys do what? Try to find the volume of carbon dioxide. What is the formula to calculate volume of carbon dioxide? Volume of CO2, number of mole times with molar volume. The number of mole is 0.1. Molar volume of carbon dioxide. Where is the molar volume? 24, right? So 24, the answer, the final answer must have unit. So I put here, final answer 2.4 dm power 3. You guys already scored 3 marks. Any question?
Sir,
Hmm.
I want to ask, just now the equation for the complete combustion, kan?
Hmm.
I put the answer in fraction, cannot, sir?
Answer in fraction cannot. You try to remove the fraction. This one, after you remove the fraction, I want this answer. After you
Yes.
remove 2, this one, 7, okay, this one, 4, this one, 6. Because why? For chapter 2, no need. Chapter 2, you have to remove the fraction. For chapter 3, no need. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you,
chapter
sir.
3 got heat of combustion, the one no need. Okay, this one must write like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
this calculation, any problem? Siapa ada masalah? Okay, tak ada. Okay, your homework, try to do this. Okay, same concept, but here you need to do the equation. So here first step, you have to do the equation 2 marks. After do the equation, then refer this example and do the calculation. So nanti buatlah. Okay, can I? Every year one objective question. Okay, subjective question kita dah tahu lagi lah. Okay, kena. Okay, now we go for substitution. That means alkane, we already finished the first reaction, which is combustion. Equation done, calculation done, complete combustion product done, incomplete combustion product all done. So should ni so tak boleh masalah, tak boleh ada masalah. Okay, now we go for this one. Okay, substitution. Okay, alkane undergo substitution. What is substitution means? One hydrogen atom will be substituted with any allied atom. Substitution, any allied atom, that is called substitution process. In the substitution process, we take alkane reacted with halogen, and this is very slow reaction. Very slow reaction. If they ask why slow reaction, because it is known as what? Alkane is saturated hydrocarbon, already stable. Slow reaction, right? So we need a condition. Condition, you mesti ada sunlight or UV light. Sunlight or UV light. Without sunlight and UV light, no reaction. So what product you will get? You take halo, HALO. Then you take alkane. The product would be haloalkane. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, I do number one. If let's say they put like this, methane reacted with chlorine solution. Okay, methane reacted with chlorine solution. Methane so saya padam macam ni, saya padam. Methane reacted with chlorine solution. If y'all smart student, y'all memang smart lah. Remember, methane belongs to alkane. Alkane, two reaction only. One combustion, another one substitution. So if they ask what is the name of this reaction, cannot be combustion. Combustion, you need oxygen. Here they put chlorine, right? Chlorine, bromine, iodine, right? So it should be what process? Substitution process. Any question? You guys already score 1 mark. Okay, in the substitution, what is the condition required? Sunlight, or you can put UV light. You already score 1 mark. Any question? What is your observation in this experiment? Okay, what is the observation? So you must memorize the color of chlorine. Chlorine, what color? So chlorine is known as greenish yellow solution or yellowish green solution. Turns to what color? Turns colorless. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? No question. Okay, how to do the equation? Very simple. CH4, okay, chlorine. You do what? You break one hydrogen atom. You guys just break one hydrogen atom. CH3, put one hydrogen atom here. One hydrogen atom, join here. This one break. So these two join, you will get hydrogen chloride. This one combine together. CH3Cl, settle. Any question? So you're going very fast because online session, you're going very fast. I still don't understand. Okay, we do again. Okay, substitution process, alkane react with halogen under the presence of sunlight or UV light. Without sunlight and UV light, no reaction. Can Okay, so the one hydrogen atom will be replaced by halogen atom. Okay, can I? Observation, what is the color of this? Chlorine. Chlorine is known as greenish yellow solution. Turns what color? Turns colorless. You guys already score 1 mark. Any question? No question, Okay, ethane. I do ethane, propane, you guys do. What is the general formula of alkane CN H2N plus 2? Ethane N2. Apply C2H will be 4 plus 2, 6. Reacted with chlorine. Jangan tulis macam ni. Sudah salah. Chlorine exists as Cl2. Okay, faham Okay, so this reaction is known as what reaction? Substitution, condition, okay, sunlight or UV light, greenish yellow turns colorless. All this mesti ada dalam otak kamu. Okay, y'all good lah. Okay, C2H5, just break one hydrogen atom, put here, 1Cl, 1Cl. Okay, these two combine, you guys put here HCl, hydrogen chloride. This one letak belakang, C2H5Cl, settle. You guys already score 1 mark, 2 marks, sorry. Okay, any question? No question. Okay, now propane you guys do. Butane or milk? Okay, propane, 1 minute. Adianman, give me the answer.
Wait, sir. My pen tara ink, sir. Wait, sir.
Faris is here or not? Faris, give me the answer. Kirti. Christina, you want to try? Inman? Okay. Nikhil. Dave, your pen tak ada ink, you bagi alasan. Later I will meet your brother for lunch, right? I will pass a few pen to your brother. Lah.
Okay. No, sir.
See lah, Dave.
It's
Sam, you all see lah, Dave. You all should follow like Sam, you know. Sam already sent the answer to me, no. Dave, Sam, I asked the answer, you send MC for what? Okay. Okay, I do now, you all check. C3H will be 6 plus 2, 8 plus, okay, bromine Br2 arrow.
Long time ago.
What?
The MC I sent long time ago already, sir. Don't.
Okay, so you guys can do one more step, one more method. C3H7. Okay, you break, put one hydrogen atom here. Okay, here you do what? Break one Br, another Br, take one Br, put here, another Br, you guys put here. Settle. Any question? No question, eh? Okay, alkane, the chemical properties finish. Okay, this one do as homework. Objective question. So the calculation got 1, 2, 3. So in SPM, tabule ada salah. You already do 3. Okay, now you guys do this. Okay, Sam, Adianman, you give me the answer. Oh, ada yang hantar. Huh?
C.
C, ah?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know.
How come you can say maybe,
Okay,
maybe all?
C.
Dave, once you see this, you should know, no. Confident with your answer.
Okay. Let's see.
You coming with your brother later makan?
No lah. No, I want to sleep.
Okay. Okay. So alkene finish. Okay, done Okay, now we go for alkene. Ini di sinilah ramai akan koyak. Okay, can because alkene is known as saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbon, most reactive carbon compound, and it has how many reaction you must memorize? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 reaction. 7 reaction. So alkane 2, alkene 7, alcohol 3, carboxylic acid 3, carboxylic acid 4, ester 1. Okay, itulah total 17. Okay, now we continue with alkene. What is the general formula? CN H2N. What is the functional group? Must have C double bond C. Adianman, right? I know your father got a lot of pen at home. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, now it will undergo combustion. You all put a combustion, so we need oxygen. Okay, again, combustion. Okay, hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Bila ada nation ni kan, tambah you all put add. Okay, this one must memorize. They add hydrogen gas. Here bawah you all letak nickel. Nickel, you all remember nickel. Hydrogenation, remember nickel. Okay, halogenation. Halogen, so you all put tambah Cl2 or Br2. Kena? Hydration. Hydration means your body dehydrated means your body lack of water, right? Hydration means you add what? Steam. You all put steam. Don't put water. It should not be water. Because at 300 degrees Celsius, your water will turn into steam. Okay, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. Kita buat yang mana boleh hafal, kita buat di sini. Okay, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. Tak boleh lupa dia punya ni. Must memorize. Okay, addition of hydrogen halide. Y'all just take one example, HCl. Okay, you can add HBr, HI, all that. I take one example. Oxidation, letak simbol ini. Oxidizing agent, tulis di sini. Acidify potassium manganate 7 or acidify potassium dichromate 6. Okay, can I? Okay, last one, addition polymerization. Okay, saya ulang balik, y'all check, y'all salin. Number one, saya ulang, sekarang y'all salin. Okay, all of you salin. I know you all feel like very fast. I'm going very fast, right? Okay, oxygen. Sudah? Okay, dan hydrogenation, they add hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel. Temperature, you all put here 180 degrees Celsius. Try to force yourself to memorize. Tak boleh kurang, tak boleh lebih. If you put 200 degrees Celsius, wrong. Okay, halogenation, they add chlorine or bromine or iodine. Okay, must memorize. Okay. Then hydration means they add what y'all put steam. Don't put water, water wrong. Steam, because the water will be under high pressure, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. You will get alcohol. Okay. Addition of hydrogen halide. They add hydrogen halide, so maybe hydrogen chloride or hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide. Oxidation, must remember, symbol, you will get what compound? Diol compound, dialcohol. Alcohol with 2 OH. Okay, okay. Acidify potassium manganate 7, acidify potassium dichromate 6. Okay, last one. Addition of addition polymerization. What is this? Later lah. Okay, all done. We go for this one. Must memorize this table, Okay. This table, what you guys must memorize, this one. Hydrogenation, halogenation, hydration, addition of hydrogen halide, and one more polymerization. All these you tambah, you add. If they ask what type of reaction, your answer addition, 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 addition reaction. They are known as addition reaction. In the exam, they will ask. Okay, ini pun tak apa. Ini 3 wajib hafal. This 3 reaction is called addition reaction. Hydrogenation, you add, okay, you guys add what? Hydrogen gas lah. Okay, condition given. Halogenation, you guys add halogen. Hydration, you guys add steam. Steam is water. Addition of hydrogen halide, you guys add HCl, HBr like that. Addition reaction. See this question. Faris, answer. Adelina, answer.
T.
D. Very good, girl. Combustion is not an addition reaction. Remember 4H reaction. Okay, ingat addition 1, 2, 3, 4. Must memorize. Okay, now we go for first reaction. Okay, combustion. Combustion ada satu soalan essay. In the book also got, here also got. I want you all to do can I? Okay, combustion. Okay, so we have complete combustion and incomplete combustion. Ingat alkene produce burn with smoky flame. Why? Because it is saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon. So dia akan menghasilkan banyak jelaga. Okay, soot. We call SOOT. Soot is called black powdery substance, which is carbon lah. Kena, itu ada pengiran nanti kita tengok Okay, ethene burn in the presence of oxygen. So you guys write down the equation C2H4 oxygen. What you guys do? Get carbon dioxide and water. So balance the equation, balance carbon ini saya buat, yang lain kamu buat sebagai latihan. So balance carbon 2, 2. Oxygen, hydrogen ni, hydrogen 4, 4. Sorry Hydrogen here got 4, right? Here you guys put 2 times 2, 4. Okay, now you guys calculate oxygen at the right hand side. Here ada 4. Di sini ada 2, total 6. So 3 times 2, 6. Any question? No question. Okay, number 3, number 4, number 5, you guys do as homework. Can? Okay, so I want to do Gani calculation. Okay, so what calculation you go to here? Okay, page number what? Page number 17. Okay, get ready. 6 mark I know. Last year SPM trial came out. Okay, cal paper. So kena ingat. Okay, we do together. Okay, we do together. Both compound undergo complete combustion. One is heptane. Heptane belongs to what homologous series? You all put alkane. One more heptene belongs to what homologous series? You guys put alkene. Dapat? Okay, heptane burn with little soot. Okay, tak ada black powdery substance. But heptene burn with smoky flame. Okay, a lot of soot. If let's say in the exam they put filter paper, here a lot of black powdery substance. Here little only, dekat sikit saja. Okay, kenapa benda ni berlaku? So they will ask, write the chemical equation for the complete combustion of heptane, 2 markah, heptane 2 marks. Explain why heptane produce more sooty flame compared to heptane. Once ada benda ni, you guys have to do calculation. Okay, first step, y'all go to here. Okay, I give you step and y'all do. First equation. Do the equation for heptane and heptene. Okay, can I do now? Okay, this is heptane. Do Okay, once you guys already do this, balance the equation. How to balance the equation? 7, I put 7. Hydrogen 16. How to get 16? Adyanman, how to get 16?
Where's here?
How to get 16? 8 times
8
2,
times 2.
16. Okay, very good.
15.
Okay, very good. Now you check the oxygen at the right hand side. Here oxygen we got 14 plus 8. How much? 22, right? Correct. 22, right? How to get 22 oxygen here? 2 times 11, you guys will get 22. So 11. Correct. Correct or not? All of you wrong? Gani, all of you? Can I? Okay, so ini padam. Okay, now you guys do for heptene. Hey, do jangan ni Okay, heptene. Do now. Adyanman doing
Yes, sir, on the way, sir.
Arvind, balance the equation.
7 carbon dioxide, then 7 water.
Okay.
So can
Oxygen.
tukar can tukar the 7 to 14. Both the 7 to
Okay.
14. Sorry, sir.
Which one? This one 14.
14 and water also
Water
14.
also. Okay, that means you already times lah.
Yes, and then in front of the heptene, letak 2,
Okay, here
and then 21 of the oxygen.
21. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, check correct or not. Siapa tak faham, please do slowly and understand the things. Okay, so you guys already score 4 marks. Okay, can I have 4 marks? Okay, now you have another 2 marks as sure supposed to be 7 marka. Okay, how to find the percentage of carbon? Okay, when you get this, you must find what percentage of carbon in heptane. C, okay, C7. Okay, I put here C7. What is the formula of heptane? Tengok 16, right? H16. So I do number 1. So we have 7 carbon. So you darab dengan RAM of carbon. Divide with RMM of C7H16 times with 100 percentage. Then berapa percentage you dapat? You must do for heptane and heptene. The one with higher percentage will produce more sooty flame. Okay, mesti hafal formula ini. Okay, write down this formula. Okay, we take one example 16. And please remember this is 2 decimal point. Decimal point, the unit should be percentage. 1 mark. Okay, then we do together. Okay, so I put like this, percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon in, so I put C7H16, which is called heptane. Macam mana nak kira? Okay, tengok betul-betul 7 darab RAM of carbon is how much? 12. Divide with RMM of all these compounds. 7 times 12. 16 times 1 times with 100 percentage. Very simple. You guys already score 1 mark. Okay, can I write down? Give me the answer. Anyone? Siapa dapat?
84%.
84 84 plus 16. Okay, very good. So you get 84%, right? 2 decimal point. So put like this. So heptane got 84% of carbon. So number 1, you already score 1 mark. Number 2, do the same for the heptane. Percentage of carbon in C7H is how much? Heptane, H is 14, right? 14. So you all do for heptane. So this is what compound? Heptane compound. So 7 darab 12, then you put here 7 times 12 plus 14 times 1. Okay, divide with the RMM of this whole compound times with 100 percentage. How much you will get?
85.71%.
Okay, 85.71 percentage. Yes, yeah, 2 decimal, 2 decimal. Pemeriksa akan check. You guys already scored 2 marks. Any question? Okay, now how to explain? Very simple. Last point. Percentage. Percentage of carbon. Carbon mesti tulis per molecule in 1 molecule. Which one higher? See the number. This is the higher, right? Okay, percentage of carbon per molecule of heptene. Heptene is higher than heptane. Therefore, heptene burn with smoky flame. Sampai sini cukup. You guys already score full mark. Any question? Any question? Sir, I don't know how to answer this again. Can you do? Okay, go to your module, this one. Okay, you see this module. Siapa? I think Yasmin seorang je yang dah buat. Ada yang tak buat. Okay, go to this module. You check page number. Here I got give one example. I already do everything for y'all. 120. Okay, page 120 carbon compound. I already did give only one. Then after that, you see here, got one example, 1, 2, 3. So you guys can check this one, the example, and do this. Okay, any question? No question, eh? Okay, we go for next part. Okay, I try to finish up until. Okay, can I? Okay, so this finish. Okay, now we go for halogenation. This one easy. Okay, halogenation, no need any condition because carbon compound, okay, alkene is most reactive. So I left to leave, I got a dentist appointment. Okay, go. Okay, can I watch the recording? Eh? Okay, the reaction halogenation, you add halogen. Okay, halogen. So observation greenish yellow turns what? Colorless. Colorless brown liquid turns what? Colorless. Ini sangat senang tau. Kita ambil satu saya dua ambil satu. Propene C3H is 6. You take chlorine solution. When they ask how to get the product, very simple. C3H6, you take the chlorine, put here. That's all. Any question? So you doing very fast. I don't understand. Okay, do number 2. That's mean you can do a. Give me the answer.
Is it C4H8 plus Br2 produces C4H8Br2?
Br2. Yasmin, remember this one. Everyone, please remember if you do like this for this, wrong. Okay, because the double bond start at carbon number 2. Untuk ni tak boleh tahu. If let's say they put butene, reacted with bromine, your answer correct. Okay, in the exam, dia sengaja nak kenakan kamu semua, they will put like this, but 2ene, then reacted with bromine. How to do this? Okay, we do together, can I? Okay, how to do this? Y'all draw the structural formula. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, okay, then y'all put double bond after carbon number 2. Your carbon number 2 here, double bond. Okay, each carbon you guys put what? Each carbon you guys put hydrogen. So here hydrogen 4 ikatan. Setiap carbon mesti ada 4 ikatan. H. Here you all put H like this. Okay, now convert this into structural molecular formula. How to convert this? CH3. Nampak ni? CH3. Okay, nah? After that, y'all do this, CH. Then do this, CH. Okay, after finish this, then the last one, CH3. This is the molecular formula of but2ene. Then y'all put what? Br2. Okay, can I? Br2. Okay, what will happen here? So what will happen? We check the double bond, okay, is made up of 1 electron. Saya ambil bawah punya lah, kena. Okay, so it made up of one electron, right? During the chemical reaction, what will happen? The one electron will move to down. Okay, one akan pergi sini, ini kan pergi sini, one pergi sini. Sekejap, Okay, ini saya padam. Okay, sudah pergi. Okay, so what will happen? The bromine akan pecah, one bromine pecah, one more bromine pecah, one bromine will attach here, one more bromide will attach here. So you will get compound like this. Understand? Okay, so how to do the structural formula? Very simple. You all put CH3, CH, then you write this. CHBr. So I put here Br and one more. Okay, one more CHBr. Then y'all draw this CH3. This is the answer. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, copy down. Hey, y'all tahan I try to finish until polymerization, then y'all can nila rest. So Friday I can finish up this whole chapter.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you repeat this one, sir?
Okay, I repeat again with a different
Thank
one.
you, sir.
Okay, if let's say they put pro, okay, 2ENE, okay, reacted with chlorine solution. Write down the equation. So if propene, no problem, If they put propene reacted with chlorine, so this equation very simple. C3H6 react with chlorine. You guys just put like this. CH3Cl2. If propene. If they put prop 2ENE, prop got 2. Sorry, ni sila. Bukan prop. Okay, if let's say they put pent 2ENE. This one you have to draw the structural formula. Macam mana nak buat? Saya buat sini How to do this equation. Let me padam ni. Okay, so I draw the structural formula of pen 2ENE. Pen means mesti ada 5 carbon The double bond start after carbon number 2. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2. After carbon number 2, double bond start. Okay, can Then you put your CH3. Okay, so when you want to draw the structural formula, molecular formula CH3, then here got H. So here you put CH. Then C double bond, here got 1H, you all put 1H, here got CH2, right? So you all put CH2, here got CH3. Okay, the last carbon CH3, right? This is the molecular formula you should write. Understand, Nikki? Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then reacted with chlorine. So when reacted with chlorine, I do here. So CH3, CH, you take one chlorine, put here. Plus one more CH, you take one chloride atom, put here. Then CH2, CH2, the last one CH3, settle. Any question? Why this thing occur? Because here got 2 electron. So during chemical reaction, one electron move here, one electron move here. Okay. So the chloride atom break, attach, chloride atom break, attach. Because chloride atom need one electron to achieve octet. Any question? Okay. So
Sir.
erase this. Yeah.
So during the reaction, the double bond break, yes.
Yeah, lah, double bond will break lah.
Then the chlorine attach.
Yeah, chlorine attach.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, one double bond will break. Okay, and the electron move to the bottom. Okay, so ini macam ni kan, saya ulang balik. Okay, you all faham ke? Faham? Okay, kita tengok faham. Saya dah faham. One bond, one electron. They are sharing pair of electron. How many pair? 4 pair ni, 2 pairs of electron. So during chemical reaction, electron ni pergi sini, electron ni pergi sini. Okay, so I padam. So electron already reach here. Okay, the chloride atom will break one chloride atom, another chloride atom. Chloride atom has 7 valence electrons. So you need one, right? So attach, join. So now you guys do the molecular formula of CH3. So do this. Then CH, do this. Then put Cl, put this. Then CH, put here. Then Cl, put here. This one CH2, this is called CH3. Must do like this. Any question? I hope you all understand. Okay, we go for next one. This is very easy. Hydration. Hydration, very important, Hydration, you want to turn the next homologous series from alkene to alcohol. What is the name of the reaction? Hydration. It's a industrial chemical reaction to prepare various type of alcohol with fastest reaction. Okay, kalau laboratory fermentation. Okay, industry hydration. If you want to do this, please remember this is not water, because at high pressure, okay, and temperature, the water will turn into steam. So you must put steam. If you put water, 0 mark. Understand? Okay, and the catalyst needed is concentrated phosphoric acid. Any question? Concentrated phosphoric acid. Hey, I already do the hydrogenation or not? Hydrogenation belum buat lagi ya. Okay, nanti saya buat ya. Okay, so we go for hydration first, then I go for hydrogenation. Then we do one question. Okay, so look at this. Okay, can and please remember at high temperature and pressure, it will turn into steam. Okay, water how y'all break? Water mesti pecah HOH. Any question? Any question? Okay, so how you get this product? So I erase, I don't know how to get the product. I erase this, how to get the product, I don't know. Okay, macam mana nak buat? Alamak. Okay, so we do this. Okay, pecah HOH. Break like this. This H combine here. C2, H4 plus 1, 5. Take the OH, put behind. That's all. What is the name of the alcohol? Ethanol. You guys already know how to name, right? Okay, ethanol. Any question? No question. Okay, no question Okay, ini nanti kita buat alcohol finish. Sir, you going very fast. I don't understand. Can you give one more example? Okay, if let's say propene. Propene reacted with steam. Okay, arrow, you will get what? And what is the name of the reaction? Once water, okay, remember hydration. What is the condition required? What is the condition required? Must remember, just put like this. Catalyst concentrated, okay, phosphoric acid. 1 mark. And please remember, satu pusingan lengkap, 360 degree, right? 360 degree, right? So you all put what? 300, okay, degrees Celsius, 60 atm. Tak boleh lupa benda ni. Wajib hafal. So how to do the equation? I don't know how to do. C3H6. Okay, reacted with steam. What product you will get? So break H, break OH. Okay. Okay. C3H will be 6 plus 1, 7. Then take the OH, put behind, settle. What is the name of this alcohol? N3, right? N3 we call what? Propanol. Any question? Any question? No question. Okay, no question Okay, nanti kita buat satu soalan when we go for not last one One more part. Saya lupa tadi tau. Okay, page number 16. Very important. Page number 16, if you want to convert alkene into alkane. And mereka akan bagi, dia akan cuba kelirukan kamu tahu. What is the name of the process to convert unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated? Okay, saturated hydrocarbon. Dia akan bagi macam ni. Okay, the name of the process to convert alkene to alkane or unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated hydrocarbon by adding hydrogen gas. What is the name of the reaction? Hydrogenation. Wajib hafal. Very simple. Alkene, you add hydrogen gas, okay, in the presence of what? Nickel. Nickel as a temperature, nickel as a catalyst, temperature 180. Ada buku dia bagi 200, ada buku 150. Please remember the one in your textbook is 180. Tak boleh tukar. Okay, must memorize. Okay, any question? Very simple. We do one example. One example only. C3H6. Hydrogen gas. Jangan letak macam ni. Ada pelajar suka letak macam ni. Hydrogen gas H2. Oxygen gas O2. Cl2. Br2. Please memorize. So what you will get? C3H will be 6 plus 2, 8. Dapat. Settle. They will ask, what is the name of this gas? Propane. So why you say gas? Because N1 until N4 is known as what? Gas. This is belongs to what homologous series? Alkane. Kena hafal. Any question? Kena? No, Okay, we go for last one. Butene. C4H8 reacted with hydrogen gas. What you will get? C4 tambah saja. Ini kan 10. That's all. Settle. This is belongs to what homologous series? Alkane. And what is the general formula? CN H2N plus 2. Ini semua akan ditanya dalam exam. So don't get any wrong. All this must remember. Okay, this is SPM. Okay, 2017 paper. Okay, do now. Madhuri, what answer?
The answer is A.
Very good, girl. Okay, so propane. Okay, so they already put propene. Propene. Okay, what is the formula? C3H6 reacted with hydrogen gas. What product you will get? C3H8. What is the name? Propane. Any question? Okay, dari tadi saya buat kan. Sekarang saya bagi 5 minit untuk kamu jawab semua benda ni. Okay, look at page 18. Okay, 5 minutes from now. Then we go for last part of alkene, which is polymerization. Polymerization kena buat betul-betul kalau tak tersalah. Okay, do now. Page number what? Check page 18. All of you please do
So
Madhuri.
I'm gonna ask something.
Ya, Ma? Ask.
The isn't the C3H8 supposed to be C3H6?
Okay, this one, guys, remember this ada salah no. Padam? Very good, Madhuri. C3H6. Sorry, Thank you, thank you. Okay, so tolong padam ni letak 6 then only can do. So in your exam, 5 conversion very important. Number 1, hydrogenation, combustion, hydration, dehydration, esterification, and one more. Please remember fermentation. These 6 conversion you kena buat sampai you faham. Okay, number A done. Number B. Okay, B. State the condition required for conversion number 2, 1 and 2. Very easy. Adian man. Adian man.
Yes, sir.
Inform to your brother I will come around 2 p.m.
Okay, okay.
Okay, B done. Now C. Conversion number 1, number 2, number 3. You guys need to do equation only. Okay, first state the name of the reaction conversion 1, 2, 3. Second condition for 1 and 2. 3 no need Third, write down the equation for conversion 1, 2, 3. Tengok siapa boleh jawab semua betul. Okay, I give you 1 more minute. Time's up. Siapa dah siap? Angkat tangan. Anyone? No one. Okay, one. Okay, Arvin siap. Okay, okay, all done. Okay. Siapa tak siap? Check. Okay, your starting point should be here. Okay, C3H6. This is belongs to what homologous series? Alkene. Alkene and 3 propene. From here, I do the simple one. Go down. Okay, number 3, right? Once you see carbon dioxide and water, this one cannot get wrong. You can put combustion or complete combustion. Okay, can then I go and do the equation. So I put here C3H6 burn in the presence of oxygen. So why you put oxygen? Because oxygen support combustion. So you will get what? Carbon dioxide and water. Balance the equation. 3, 3. 6, 3 darab 2, 6. Okay, then I calculate oxygen here 6 tambah 3, 9. How to get 9? 9 over 2. Okay, 9 over 2. Then I remove the fraction. You all smart, right? Remove the fraction. Ambil 2 ni letak sini. Can 2. Ambil 2 ni darab sini. So you guys get what? 6. Ambil 2 ni darab sini. Okay, 6. Then ini 2 you bagi semua tempat kan? Tak payah. Padam 9. So you guys already score full mark. Any question? Okay, so conversion number 1 done. Okay, now I go to conversion number 2. Okay, what is the difference between this? C3H8. Okay, I erase the C3H8. Then here C3H6. I take this, I put here. So I tolak, this one sudah tolak. This one they tambah what? 2H2. Got extra 2H2. They add hydrogen gas. What is the name of the reaction when they add hydrogen gas? Is called hydrogenation. Hydrogenation, what is the catalyst needed? Nickel. What is the temperature? 180 degrees Celsius. How to do the equation? C3H will be 6 plus hydrogen gas. You guys will get C3H8. Okay, semua betul. Okay, okay, now I go and do the next one. Okay, so this one. So what they add, I don't know. So you put here C3H7OH. You take this one, put here, ambil benda ni letak sini. C3H6. They add what? Okay, ini cancel. Sini ada satu hydrogen. Ini OH letak. They add water. Water means what? Y'all put, remember, steam. Addition of water is called, what reaction is called? Hydration. Pendihidratan. Okay, hydration. In hydration, we need concentrated. Ini tulis lengkap. Letak simbol cukup. Concentrated phosphoric acid 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm. You guys already score 1 mark. How to do the equation? C3H6 reacted with water. You guys will do what? Take out this one. H, take out OH. C3H will be 7. Take the OH, put behind. Siapa semua betul? Angkat tangan. Very good. Well done. Okay. Okay, we go for last one before we wrap up the session. Okay, kena. Last one, ini banyak benda tau. Ini kena faham. Saya rasa ada yang dah pergi tuition dah faham. Okay, we see. This one we do next. Okay, we go for this. Kena. Okay, alkene can undergo only alkene molecules you can combine together in repeating sequences form long chain, and that is called polymerization. Apa itu polymerization? So we do this one, last one, then we wrap up. Okay, when you take alkene compound, one more alkene compound, one more alkene compound, or you take a 50,000 or 100,000 like that, they can combine together, they can form long chain. In repeating sequences, they can combine together. In repeating sequences, they can form long chain. And this process is called polymerization. So, apa itu polymerization? If let's say a small, identical, repeating basic unit, okay, which is known as monomer. Okay, you know the monomer. From the structural formula, you know the monomer. For example, glucose. Glucose is the monomer. Once this glucose enter this kilang, we call what? Polymerization kilang. They will be bonded in repeating sequences and form long chain. And this is called carbohydrates. Carbohydrate. Same also alkene. Now I do what? Only alkene. Only alkene. Alkane cannot, alkyne cannot, alcohol cannot, carboxylic acid also cannot, ester also cannot. Only alkene molecule can combine together in repeating sequences. They form what? They form long chain. Poly, you ambil alkene, tulis alkene. And the alkene can undergo what type of polymerization? Addition, polymerization. Okay, pempolimeran penambahan. Okay, I will do one example how to do. The second one we do. Third one, I think second one I will do. Third one you guys do. Okay, number one. If let's say in the exam they put 18 molecules undergo. Okay, 18 molecules combine together, okay, form long chain. They ask you to do the equation. What type of reaction when 18 satu alkene saja, right? So this reaction is called what? Addition polymerization. You guys already score 1 mark. Okay, nah? Because only alkene. Okay, only alkene can combine together. Molecules means a lot of molecules. So how to do the equation? Before you do the equation, saya nak kamu study sikit. C2H4 is 18. Okay, after you do this, you draw the structural formula. How to draw the structural formula? C, double bond C, atas bawah macam ni. Okay, this is the bonding. Each carbon must have bonding. Okay, now I want to do the equation. Very simple. What y'all do? C double bond C. Y'all just write C double bond C, atas bawah. Okay? Atas bawah. We don't know how many molecule, y'all put N. Okay, okay, now what y'all do? This H pindah bawah. This H put at the top. This H put at the top. This H put down. So make sure the side is empty. You already got the structural formula of the eating. So now what y'all do? Arrow, okay, must open bracket, close bracket. Di sini kamu nampak double bond, right? You make it single bond. After make it single bond, what you guys do here, you all just draw one omba like this, put N. That's all. This is the answer they want in the exam. So what is this? I don't understand at all. So I take 3 monomer. Like this, one monomer, then I take 3 monomer, one more monomer. Okay, another monomer. Monomer must have double bond, must understand. Okay, so what will happen? This double bond here got electron, 2 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron. Under high temperature and pressure, this electron move here. Okay, this electron move here. Okay, this electron dia pergi ke sini. Okay, this electron, it will move to left and right, move here. One more electron, this one already move here. This one already move here. They form radical molecule. So combine, combine. They form a long chain. So you no need to draw everything like this, They want like this only. So I still don't understand because you go very fast. Okay, I do one more example. Now we do next one, propene. Propene undergo, okay, undergo addition polymerization. Okay, addition polymerization. Okay, write down the chemical equation. Copy down this. We do together. propene molecules undergo addition polymerization. They want you guys to do equation. 2 marks, you know. Okay, done, eh? Okay, what y'all do before y'all do the answer? Okay, here y'all write what is the molecular formula of propene? C3H6. Done? All done, eh? Okay, next y'all draw the structural formula. Propene must have 3 carbon, 1 double bond, like this. Okay, now y'all draw. All of you draw, eh? Okay, now, okay, you already draw, right? Okay, now I want to answer the equation. How to answer? C double bond C, atas bawah, y'all put N. Without this N, 0 mark, you know. So must put N, eh? Okay, now y'all do this. Okay, done? Okay, now we do what? Okay, this H I put at the top. Okay, this one I bring down. Right? Okay, now I check this C. Okay, this C got one bonding, another bonding. Okay, so what I do, this H I put here. This whole thing, this whole thing I simplify as CH3. Settle. Any question? No question. Okay, now we do the equation. Once you already got this, then no problem. So what you all do, open bracket, close bracket. So all single bond. Everything follow single CH3, here H, you draw omba, take the end, put at the bottom, settle. Double bond, make it single bond. Double bond, pecah jadi single bond. You take your 2 marks. Any question? Masih tak faham lagi kan? Nikhil, understand?
Yes, yes, I
Nikhil?
understand.
Okay, if y'all understand, okay, y'all watch the recording, can do. Again, I want y'all to do for this. Butene undergo oxidation, polymerization. Butene undergo polymerization. Write down the equation for me. 1 minute from now. What type of polymerization? Addition polymerization. Jasmine, you want to teach all of them? Can do this one.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Okay, okay. Amirul buat kan? Okay, Inman, you got do it right. Do don't know means need try. It's actually easy. You all can do Okay, siapa dah siap? Angkat tangan. Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute. Aisha, okay. Yasmin, done? Okay, well done. Okay, we wait for 1 more person to do. Madhuri, done or not?
Not yet, sir.
Try. Inman do, Trishana dua. Syuhada kena buat. Amirul jangan give up. Buat. Nitisri buat. Zara can do. Easy. Okay, time's up. You guys check the answer. Can I? Easy no. Okay, what is the formula of butene C4H8? Okay, then after that, you all draw the structural formula. Butene 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then you all put the double bond here. First carbon, right? Butene means but 1 E and E, right? At first, only carbon, double bond. So, like this. Each carbon must have 4 bonding. Sampai sini dapat? Dapat Okay, now what y'all do? Very simple. Y'all have to draw the equation, right? So y'all put your C double bond C atas bawah, y'all put N. Okay, where is your C double bond C? This one, right? Okay, can I? Okay, so y'all see this C H I put here. Okay, this one I put here. Done? Okay, bahagian ni sudah settle. Okay, okay, now this C got 2 bonding, Ini H I put at the top. This whole thing I simplify as C2H5. Siapa dapat macam ni? Tanya. Simplify as your branch C2H5. 1, okay, hydrogen got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So C2H5. Once you already got this, very easy, open bracket, close bracket, C single bond, everything follow. Okay, follow Okay, the carbon attached C2, so y'all put here C2H5, y'all put N, ombak only. Siapa dapat macam ni? Angkat tangan. Very good, Amirul. Okay, Aisyah also dapat kan? Yasmin also dapat kan? Okay, well done. Okay, now we do one more objective question. Depolymerization. What is depolymerization? Look at here. I got one question only. Maksudnya they give you polymer. Just now they give you monomer. Monomer, they ask polymer. They ask polymer, ask you to do the equation. Now they give you the polymer, they ask the monomer. Oh, angkat tangan lagi, okay. Okay, they ask the monomer. How to get the monomer, structural formula. And please remember, you all kena ingat monomer kena ada C double bond, atas, bawah, atas. Dia kena ada 2 C sahaja. Okay, okay, now they already give you the polymer, right? Try to get the monomer. One monomer is here. Another monomer is here. Third monomer is here. Okay, after you draw this, you take the monomer. Okay, ini kan CH3 I put here. The CH3 I put here. Then H, the double bond sudah dapat. Okay, this monomer belongs to what homologous series? Alkene. Alkene, go and check. Ada tak macam ini? Mana satu ada? Okay, ini tak ada double bond, tak ada double bond. Monomer must have double bond. Ini ada satu CH3, sini tak ada, so cannot. This one got one CH3, so your answer C. Any question? Any question? No question. Tengok ada lagi tak soalan? Okay, next week I'll give you the question. Okay, so your homework, try to do this. Okay, so we already finished alkane. Alkene, only this part jarang keluar dalam exam. Okay, jarang keluar. Oxidation kita akan buat next Friday. Okay, if you all free, please try to do this essay question. Okay, I will discuss this one on Friday. So that's all for today. Kita jumpa on Friday. Friday we finish up alcohol, carboxylic acid, ester, and one more isomer. Isomer, very important. Okay, so that's all today. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye, semua. Happy holidays.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, semua.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.